We bought this old 5.3 LS engine for $500, and today we're not only going to be upgrading it, but we're going to be giving it a complete makeover so that it's ready to be thrown into our Volvo 240 wagon.
Wow. Whoa, oh my gosh.
What do you think this means for the rest of the engine?
This should be easy, bro. No way.
I've never seen anything like that.
Alright guys, it's time to start upgrading our 5.3 that we are going to throw in for the LS swap. We're going to throw a cam in, that's what we're about to do, and we've never done that, so we got to figure out how to do this. There's something pretty crazy that I think we should share.
Oh.
Ooh.
No way.
Yeah. It's a little personal. I don't like to talk about finances, but BackRoads LLC just made its first ever money. We're not profiting by any means already, because I've spent over $50,000 on this channel, but I still think this is pretty cool. From ad revenue so far, we've made $25. $25. That's like 2 meals from a fast food restaurant or like half a tank of gas. We don't monetize these videos because we like to use cool music, but some of our shorts are monetized, so that's where that's coming from.
I was wondering because
we're gonna make them how we want to. We want to make videos that not only we enjoy but that you guys enjoy too, and as cool as they can be.
I'm gonna be taking stuff off I don't use because I'm gonna be putting a different intake on this. I had like a different bracket here for the alternator and the power steering pump possibly, but I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna take the headers off because we're gonna be putting different headers on it.
What does this got to be like stock? Like 200-300?
Probably like 3.
What did this have before? Maybe like 110?
What's your guess? How much does
it have? I'm gonna say 112.
What do you guess?
I don't know, I'm just the cameraman.
114.
Oh, I was so close. We are literally almost tripling the horsepower. It's gonna be so sick.
I'm also excited to dig in this motor because I know nothing about it. 161,000 miles, known good, so.
Oh my gosh.
See why?
I think these heads were just done. They're spotless, bro.
We need to vacuum this up.
Looks like there's a rat living in here.
Well, it filters through.
All right, now the next step is...
I'll remove the valve covers. That's probably what it's gonna say. Remove the valve covers.
Remove the valve covers.
It's actually not bad. It actually looks kind of good.
It actually does look good.
There's actually like no gunk at all, too.
What he said goes right again.
Right now what we're trying to just do is there's 2 sprockets right here and we gotta align them dot to dot. So we're pretty sure this little mark right here is the dot and we gotta align it to the dot on this sprocket. Keep going, keep going, keep going. All right, I think that's good.
Yeah. All right, we are changing the valve springs here. We gotta change 1 and 6. We gotta go in a certain order. I don't know why, but there's, yeah.
So this is gonna compress these springs down and then we're gonna be able to get the little pin type thing, right? At the top of these, and then we can take the springs down.
So you found out today your life's not the same, not quite as perfect as it was yesterday.
We got the old springs off to replace them with the heavy duty ones. Now, what the heck is this even called?
I think they're called valve seats, or like, it's like the gaskets basically for valves.
So we're replacing those.
Yep.
And before we can even get that cam out and then the new one in, we need to do all that on every spring and every
So you time it every time, so your piston's up top so they won't fall.
Maybe that's what it is. I didn't.
Is that why we lined it up dot to dot so that?
Yeah, I was almost thinking it was the opposite. You want
so
it
you
down
don't
so
hit
you're
the
not
piston.
hitting it, but I guess it makes sense now.
Because they would fall right in the cylinder if not.
Well, that took way too long to do too.
Now we got to do what, 6 more?
Yeah, I thought this one was gonna go quick. That one took long too.
All right. Well, I think we should take a quick intermission until we get the rest of these on. I don't want to bore you guys. We left off last time. Oh my gosh, what a nightmare. Those valve springs with that tool that you got from Amazon that was like $5?
Yeah, probably. I found the cheapest one I could get.
It sucked. We looked up some other methods and we found out like, hey, we can just drill into an old 3/4 wrench. So, I mean, we were literally spending 30 minutes on every 2 springs. So we spent some time drilling this, but then we literally were able to knock out each spring in probably what, maybe 2 minutes. Maybe.
Oh,
maybe probably 45 seconds.
Yeah.
Like, we were supposed to have everything done in that night, but it just took so long for the valve springs. But now they're all changed and all done. We're gonna finish this today. So what's our next step, Mechanic Max?
The next step is getting this cam out and putting the new cam in. So I do want to paint this. I didn't even think about painting the block until you mentioned something last time. But I'm thinking like, what did you say, blue?
I said like white, and then if you got white wall tires.
True.
But like,
I was thinking just white or literally just black.
I was gonna say neon green.
I don't ever wanna feel
the lifters that are sitting in there, I spun it so now they're all kind of just popped up. Now we need something to stick in these two holes right here. Hold those lifters up. Because pull this out now, all the lifters are just gonna drop in.
Again, unprepared as always, so we gotta make a trip to the hardware store, buy some little rods. Even though everyone in this room has one, they're not long enough. Oh, Max, they're right here. 5/16ths, right, is what we need?
2 5/16. Let me see if I can get these done.
No way.
It's out.
Here is our new cam. Look at this baby. Chopacabra.
Chopacabra. It's gonna be hard to tell, but like,
No, they're way bigger, dude. Oh, shoot. It's getting scientific.
oh, man, we've never done this yet.
This is too high tech for us, dude. Now what, we lube this thing up and put it in there?
Clean it off good, lube it up, and then throw it back in.
To get there's to go straight down. There's no bathroom and there is no safe.
I'm gonna put a good song over this.
How am I supposed to do this? Is there a not gay way?
No, that's it. That stuff's pretty sticky. It looks like pretty sticky. Okay, cool.
Hard to drink, very hard to drink.
Come on now. Engine's cammed. It's got a Chopacabra cam in it.
We just need some parts to come and we'll be able to get this pretty much finished, and then basically all we have to do is motor mounts and all that good stuff.
Motor mounts, exhaust oil pan.
Dare I say, in the next video, this could be going into that Volvo. I'm not gonna say it's gonna run, but I think it'll be in the car.
Take the headers off. Let's get the oil pan off because that's not going back on. The pickup tube off. Let's get a different pickup tube and the oil pump.
What is that?
Just like,
Is that just buildup?
I don't know.
Like carbon?
Dude, look how bad that is down here.
Look at all that gunk inside of there.
That's bad.
Oh my god.
Yes. Gosh dang. That's bad.
Wow.
Whoa, oh my gosh.
There's no way the oil was gonna drain out of that.
Oh my
That's not even like sludge, dude. That's like, is that even dirt?
This looks like carbon. Like,
Yeah.
you know, like carbon buildup.
Yeah.
Like, dude.
I'm glad we're gonna pick up tube because there's no way it's not clogged.
Might be okay.
That makes me worry. Holy shit, dude.
What do you think this means for the rest of the engine?
I don't know what I'm telling you right now. I'm glad I got an oil pump.
Yeah, definitely.
Dude, like there's just no way it's not clogged. Like there's no way. I don't even see how the oil would have drained at all. Was it clogged right by that?
It was literally covered in buildup. I don't think it would have.
I mean, I've taken many oil pans off working at, at the shop. I've never seen anything like that. I've seen sludge in motor. That's like packed into years of carbon.
At least it's no metal shavings or ace. I didn't see any in there.
True.
Mother's hands are serving meals in a cafe on Main Street. Mouth to feed.
Actually looks pretty good. Here's your crankshaft. 2 pistons are here, 2 pistons here, 2, 2.
I think besides all of our gunk, this thing is not half bad. We are gonna be finishing up 5.3 today, right? I mean, there's nothing else really that's gonna be done to this before we throw it in this baby. We got a timing chain, new oil pump. We're gonna get everything put back together. We are gonna paint this block. You wanna do white?
Yeah, unless it looks like stupid when we're done, then we'll probably just go to
but
black.
I just think with this like kind of classy blue looking color of the Volvo, I thought a white block could look cool. I don't know if I've ever seen that before. I don't know. It just, bear with us. If it looks horrible, you guys let us know. Didn't learn the first time earlier in this video. We again bought the cheapest tools from Amazon.
I actually looked up LS timing gear puller, and this is what came up right away. So, I don't know. I mean, I guess we could, file this down and try to figure it out.
Basically, we just can't get under that lip because you should buy this and just be able to use it. It works without having to rig it up yourself. I mean, we literally were able to get a better tool out of drilling a hole in a wrench. Everything's always gotta be so complicated. I know.
Now that we're here, so far away, all the struggle we fight.
All right. Let's see. You hear it? It's a little hot still. Boom.
Nice.
They're all on there.
Nice.
We just gotta buy these Amazon tools and then modify them.
Yeah.
It's sliding off. Like, that's the issue now.
Dude, why does... Dude, everything takes... There's always one thing
This is just so retarded. Like, this should be easy, bro. Like, we literally bought a tool for it. None of the tools work. It's a 5.3. This is like one of the most basic, like...
I'm sure you can go on the website and get the exact one you need or whatever.
Is it working?
I don't know.
It's coming off. So the issue we're having right now is every time we go to tighten this thing right here, these arms like just want to pop right off. They want to slip off. And even though we tighten these bolts on here real nice and snug, so we're like, it shouldn't be moving.
And the way we had to grind like the hooks down, there is an angle, so it's making them just come out. But we had to do that, so.
Yeah, like. I'm not saying this is gonna work, but I don't think we have any other options right now.
I think it's gonna work. Oh, dude, that's gonna work.
As tight as it's gonna get, man. We're freaking ghetto garage right now, man. I mean, look at the way we got this rigged up right here. Let's see.
Got it.
We got it?
Yeah.
You serious?
Yeah.
No way, it's actually coming off. I can see it.
Oh, shoot. Got it.
No way.
We gotta figure something else out for the future, though. Because we can't be doing that the whole
Yeah,
time.
like, bro, that is not gonna be a long-term solution to this. You need a tool from Amazon.
A grinder, bucket of water to cool off the metal after you grind it down, some welding gloves, safety glasses, a ratchet strap.
Then it should be fine, right? I was actually kind of stressing we weren't gonna be able to do that, I'm not gonna lie.
That was
Let's
smart.
go.
So we're gonna press in this new one. We used the old gear, and then we used the nut for the crank pulley there, and then just tighten it right up on. Line them up perfectly because there's a key. You don't want to bend the key or hit the key. So I got it lined up perfect right now. But all right, let's give this a shot. Yeah.
First try, what's up?
So we do gotta
Line them up dot to dot.
Yeah, this one's actually pretty close. So we gotta line this dot up to this dot here, which it's really close.
What are the odds that we do this whole engine and put it in the car and it doesn't even start at all?
50-50.
Wake me up when you figure it out, man.
All right, we'll do. You wake up to me firing it up.
I wake up like going down the road.
2006 5.3 LS. I'm gonna thread lock all these 3 bolts and torque it down. I've seen 3 different specs, but I'm just gonna go with the one that I've seen. I'm just gonna torque them to what I've seen twice, which is 26 foot-pounds. If it's wrong, we'll know eventually.
So after everything was back together, it was time to get this engine cleaned and prepped to be painted. First, we hit it with some degreaser and let it sit for a while before rinsing it off. Then it was time to come in with some soap and scrub it clean. This thing has some serious grime on it, so we needed to scrub hard with wire brushes.
I actually bought this one because it looked like the cleanest one on Marketplace. Well, and it was like a mile from my house, but it was super clean looking because like everything else like Marketplace just looked like a grease pile.
Your dad pulls in.
What's going on with Gay Roads Garage?
I don't know if our female audience declined or went up.
Female audience. Probably like my mom, Max's fiance,
Sister in the box.
your sister. It's like a guy logged in on his wife's account.
Hope no one looks through my phone when I go home this weekend.
It's just like, it's like the beginning of a gay video. 2 shirtless dudes cleaning an engine. Right here, we're hitting it with a blowtorch to help evaporate any moisture that's left in the block. With it being cast iron, it's very porous and water tends to get trapped inside. Next, we wiped down the block with some acetone and masked everything off so that it was ready for our first coat of primer. Now, technically, this Rust-Oleum primer and paint is not rated for a high enough heat for painting an engine block. But after reading some forums and doing some research online, it seems like a lot of people have used this stuff and had very good experiences with it in the past, so we're gonna go out on a limb and take their word for it. Doing it like this also allows us to brush it on, which makes it much easier for the masking process. And after applying a few coats of this white paint, we should have our finished product.